Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to drive through Faith's Pen in St Ann, and Faith's Pen is between Mount Rossa and Monique when you're driving through St Ann. Okay, now Faith's Pen is most famous for the food that it sells. We're going to drive through the section now where they sell food, most notably like pan chicken, those kind of things. Now, back in the day, this was a must stop. I mean, if you were going to Ocherios, you would stop at Faith's Pen and eat. Now, I'm not sure what happened. I don't know if it's the highway. I don't know what it is. But we're going to drive through Faith's Pen and it's like deserted. There you can see the government built all these fancy stalls for the people. And you can see there's so many of them. And you see they're empty. Only a few have pan chicken drums in them, and I am not sure what happened. See, only one person operating at this time, but this place is like a ghost town now. This car probably belongs to one of the persons that operate the stall. There's literally one person open in the middle of the day, and you see how big the place is. You see, okay, there's a second one, there's a fire down there. The government set it up so nice, and I'm not sure if it's the highway, but I can't imagine that much traffic going on the highway because you have to pay. So if anybody has any ideas or knows what happened to the Faith's Pen food stop, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Okay, now that's the most popular spot in Faith's Pen for food, or it was, but this entire area is Faith's Pen. The highway opened recently, but as we said, I can't imagine that many persons using the highway for this food place to drop off like that. Now, if you're leaving from Ocherios, from Ocherios to go into Kingston, and you're not using the highway, and you're not going through St. Mary, this is the road you're going to use. So this road still has traffic on it. I'm not sure what happened, but it's sad because Faith's Pen was an iconic place in Jamaica. And the food used to taste good. I'm not sure. You saw how many stalls were there? Probably about 30. So that gives you an idea of what that place was like during its prime. Not sure. Okay. Above is the bridge. That's the highway above. So we're driving through Faith's Pen towards Monique now. You have some more stalls here, some more shops. And they also look quite empty. But a lot more activity right there than in the official food place. I remember when I was younger and driving to Ocherios, would always stop at Faith's Pen and get something to eat. It was just part of the journey. I'm sure many persons have eaten there. And leave your experience in the comment section below. It's just sad to see what it has come to now. And why? I'm very curious as to why. And what can be done to bring it back, I guess. But I don't know. Okay, coming up on the right now, you're going to see the highway. And that's the Edward Siaga Highway, or the north-south leg of Highway 2000. When it was just opened, it was just called the north-south highway. And it's a very nice road, I must say. Cuts the travel time between Kingston and Ocherios to about 45 minutes. Now, some persons say they have done it in half an hour, One person even said they did it in 15 minutes, but I'm not sure about that one. Okay. So basically, if before the highway was built, or if you're not using the highway, to leave from Kingston and get to Ocho would take you about an hour and a half. And you would drive on the road we're on now. You would drive from Kingston to Spanish Town, and from Spanish Town you go through Bogwalk, and then Linstead, and then Ewerton, then you go over Mount Russell, go through Fates Pen, and then go through Monique, and then there are a few more smaller towns, and then you enter Ocho. And that would take an hour and a half, basically, if there are no accidents or travel delays. But when you're going that route now, you had two major problems. One was the Bogwalk Gorge. It could easily get blocked and you have a traffic delay. And two, Mount Russell. Also very famous for having the road blocked and traffic delays. Alright, so we're going into the Monique area now, and Monique has a entrance, or it has a toll plaza for the Edward Siaga Highway. It's called the Monique Toll Plaza. Okay, there you can see the sign. And then if we were going on the highway, this is where we would turn. And also when you're exiting, yeah, we're going to turn and take a quick look. So this is okay, it's called the Unity Valley Toll Plaza, but it's for money. And we're not going on it, so we're just going to turn around here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.